Hi guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day. We are on day 38 today, so we're going to go over all of our great stuff. So today there's no Flipgrid or journal because our language arts pages have writing for us to do. Today for our chart, we're doing the Y sound, and in class we would say the Y says I like cry, and the Y says E like happy. If you click here, it's going to take you to Spell Zone, and it has a list of words that are like that: cry, dry, all these different words you can listen to, you can play games, or do any of the other activities. The next thing today, we're still working on that long U with the magic E. It's going to take you to a Starfall activity today. You just click here and play the game. Keep going down. The next job, we have a graphing game for math. All you have to do on this game is you start and you have to catch all the apples. Just like this. And at the end, it's going to build a graph for you, just like this. So you can play and kind of check your graph. It wants you to count and tell them how many apples, and then you can see how it gets graphed. The next things on here, we have a Bring It Down video, which is our mindfulness video from Go Noodle, and we have Sonic the Hedgehog Go Noodle video. For sight words today, it's an ABC game. We've done it before. It's the submarine. So I'm not going to really go over it too much because I know you know what it looks like. The next thing, we have the last day of our Scratch project. So check that out. I'm going to be looking at the ones that are done inside Scratch because I can see them from my account. I can't wait to see the great work you've done. Epic Books, you can go on there. I don't have any books for today because we're not doing Flipgrid or our journal, but you're welcome to look at any books that you want to on there. And then Clever, of course, you can check out games. You can do any activities that you want to off of there. So today, of course, we're starting with our warm-up. I mixed up yesterday and today. Yesterday I did 89, so we'll just go back to 88. No big deal. So on 88, it says write the words with a capital letter. Go to school today. So you're going to put that go with that capital letter. Add punctuation. Who likes to play ball? If it's asking a question, put a question mark. If it's just telling something, put a period. And if it's using a lot of filling, put that exclamation mark. Number 3, circle the verb. Ned needs his book. So you're going to go back, who's the person or thing, and what are they doing? The verb is the action. And the last part, fill in the missing letter. The word is cone. Today for our language arts pages, we're going to be using the back of this page. We did this side yesterday, so now it's time to do the back. And how we're going to do the back is by reading this story. You're going to fold it in half and you're going to read it. The title is Who Can Help? You're supposed to read this the best you can by yourself and then write about it on this page for about 5 minutes. You should be able to fill up that page. Of course, you're always looking for the 5 things. Are you using capitals at the beginning of your sentences? Are you putting spaces? Are you spelling sight words correctly? Are you stretching your words and using your analyze chart? And of course, are you putting the right punctuation at the end? When you're done with this, the last paper job of the day is our math lesson. And today we're on 12.5. It's using graphs again. And the new thing today, when you're counting, they give you on the side what you're graphing. So this red counter right here is just telling you that the graph, we're graphing red. So you don't count this one. You only count what's inside the graph. So let's count 1, 2, 3. And you can see down here, that's what they wrote next to the red counter is the 3. So be careful. Don't let these 2 on the side trick you. It's just telling you what you're graphing. And then if you count your yellow inside the graph, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you can see the 4. You're just going to trace it. And the final thing on here, they want to know which one has more. And of course, if you look at the graph, you can see there's an empty space above the yellow, which means there's more yellow. So you're going to go ahead and circle the yellow counter. Turning the page on this side, what you're going to do first is color this one yellow, and then you're going to color this empty ghost counter red. And what they want you to do again is to count inside the graph. So you're going to count the yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to put your 5 after you color this yellow, and then count your reds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to put your 4. And the last part on the bottom, it says circle the category that has more counters. So are there more yellow or are there more red? Take a look at your graph and circle the one that has more. Next page. Again, same thing. You're going to color This time they started with red, so you're going to color this one red, and then you're going to color this one yellow. You're going to count only the counters inside the graph, put those numbers, and on the bottom, they want you to circle this time the one that has fewer, not more, the one that has less, fewer. And then when you're done, last page. The last page is fun because you get to decide some of it. It says that Brian has more blue cubes than red cubes. Draw and color to show his cubes on the graph. Count how many are in each category, write the numbers. So you're going to need two colors. You're going to need blue and you're going to need red. So you'll color this one blue, you'll color this one red. It says he has more blue cubes. So when you draw your cubes inside the counter, you have to make sure that there's more blue than there are red. So there should be an empty space underneath your blue. And then down here, same thing, you're going to color this one blue, this one red, and tell me how many did you decide to make for blue and how many did you decide to make for red. That is our last paper project for the day. I hope you are doing fantastic and wonderful. I miss you and I hope you have a great day today. Goodbye.